We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll answer the question that is, how high can DJI Mini 3 Pro fly? So, in order for the DJI to comply with legal and, other regulations, it is soft locked to not be able to fly itself over 500 meters. If I'm not mistaken, that is, let me double check. Yep, so it is soft locked to stop itself, to put its foot on the brake pedal once it reaches the 500 meters altitude. But if you're curious, like in theory, in idea, what altitude can this little boy withstand in the imaginable scenario, let's say, or something like that. So the highest it can fly from the engineering standpoint is almost 4,000 meters or 4 kilometers above the sea level, but you'll not be able to fly it any higher than, as I've already mentioned, 500 meters probably. Or if you if you're going to play with the firmware, change its boot parameters or something, so just play around with its software, firmware, as I already mentioned, you might reach higher altitudes, but we strongly advise against that, once again, for legal and safety concerns. Anyway, that'll be it for this video, so thanks for watching and bye bye.